Well, you might be asking yourself, how did you get from all that was in front of this to where you're currently at now? You know, it looks bare bone, and you know, it has this part here which goes in, and then as this part, it goes there, right? So the first step to strip this, oh, this is going to be a problem. Okay, all right. So the first step to remove this is removing your ignition switch, and as you can tell right here, there's this little notch that needs to be depressed, and you could reach this little stub or whatever via the bottom of this part. You see this right here? So basically, this key has to be in this exact orientation while simultaneously depressing that. So your key is actually going to be in this position, right? When you first stick your key in, this little triangle, and then you have to move it so it lines up with this, right? And then you're able to depress it and take this out. That's step number one. And then there's three screws that you have to take off, which is this right here, and this right here. And they're located over here on this part. They screw on. This is the part that they screw on. 1, 2, and then 3 over here. So you have now taken this off, right? Well, it gets complicated when you get here. Basically, it has these little studs or whatever you want to call them that go in here. They're not screwed on. They're basically punched in. You use a punch. Now, you could use a punch from the inside out, but that's very, very hard to do because there's all this stuff in the way. As you can tell, like all this stuff is in the way. So what I did was I used one of the screws that I took off, screwed this on, you know, a couple of threads, and then wiggled it out. So that took care of these, and they're 1 and 2, right? Then they're at the bottom of